Good morning and welcome to this newly listed 2022 Sea Ray 23 SPX outboard bow rider. Boat currently just has 32 hours on her. She's in beautiful Sea Ray blue two-tone hull with dune interior and navy canvas. Up front we just have an anchor locker to stow your anchor in line. You'll see the nice lighting package she's got. And up front we've got a blue tonneau cover to go over her, and then a cockpit cover that'll be windshield back along with a bimini. This boat has a porta potty with a pump out head. You'll see the fitting there. And then moving back, the owner equipped it with 2 bucket seats, which will go forward and back and spin. They also have flip up thigh rise to give you extra comfort. You've got a tilt wheel, a fusion stereo with Bluetooth ability, and then a small digital depth finder so you know what you're up to, where you're going. He equipped the boat with infinity vinyl flooring, so you've got a nice soft touch, also in dune. Then the boat is equipped with 2 tables, portable. You'll see one fitting in the rear. The other fitting is forward at the front of the boat, so you can have 2 tables up at the same time. He's also got dual battery and switch. And then as we move back, we've got a very large storage area for all your gear. Ski tow pylon, powered with a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke. He also did sea decking on the rear of the boat, so nice soft touch as you walk about or get your skis ready. And then at the very rear, a boarding ladder to getting on and off easy. So again, I hope you enjoyed this short video. The boat is beautiful. Its owner is moving up, and again, the boat is available now, ready to go. 32 hours. Sea Ray Blue 2022 SPX Sea Ray 150 outboard. Thank you.